Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do a really nice triangle scarf. And all you're gonna need is your 4mm needle, and we're gonna do it out of some cotton wool this time, or cotton. So we have wonderful colors here. You can see the end result looks awesome. So if you want to see how you can do this all by yourself, stay tuned. Here is our first spool. So we have here fashion cotton light and long. DK is the thickness we're having today. And apart from that, we have 50 grams per 200 meters. So pretty long and also very fluffy and very light as well. So yeah, our needle size is 4mm, and apart from that, we have 47% cotton, 46% acrylic, and 7% polyamide. And you see the colors that I have in this particular spool. So we have here some yellow and blue as the first next layer, but there is also some pink or purple hiding in there. So that's what we have for today. Anyway, let's get started. And also, if you would like this exact one type for your project as well, you can find the number always written on here. So in this case, it would be the color number 3. Magic ring and follow my lead. Four chains, but yeah, before I continue, I'm using my 4mm needle from Prim. So after 4 chains, we do a treble, three chains and another treble. One chain and again a treble, and that's how we do round number 1. So 4 chains, a treble, 3 chains, a treble, a chain, and 1 treble to end with. So actually the first 3 chains replace the first treble, and then comes 1 chain before the middle, just like on the other side. So it is in fact symmetrical with this middle piece that we have here. Now pull tight and we get our triangle that is our round number 1 and our bases. Four chains, that's how we always start, and turn. Here, do a treble. One chain and 1 treble. Chain and treble, 3 chains and the treble, and the chain and another treble. Chain. So after each treble goes just 1 chain, except in the middle, there we do 3. here is round number 2, so replace 3 chains for a treble, 1 chain, so a total of 4 then a treble, a chain, and then a treble and a chain, and another treble, and then 3 chains, treble, chain, treble. And that's the second part, 1 chain, and here the last treble, chain, treble structure. So let's again start the same way. We have 4 chains, 3 for the treble and 1 for the actual chain, and we do the same as before. And now between these 2 V parts that you see here before the middle, we will go in between and do another V structure. So when I say V, I actually mean 2 trebles with a chain in the middle, so just like we already did. This goes the same way. The end we do into the V itself. So you see the beginning of our pretty net pattern that we get through our little V's, and this is basically the entire scarf, or what it's built out of, the little elements that actually make the big picture look as nice as it does. So yeah, this is pretty much all it is. make sure you do the V's correctly and you will get the same result that you see here by me, and it will always be symmetrical and good looking. And the last V, don't forget, so it always goes into the last one and not in between. But apart from that, it's really easy, and you can see that for yourself too. I'll do a bit more with the other colors. So with the yellow that we have, and the pink and purple, and after that I'll show you what I have. So here we are after a while. You see here the minty blue green area first, and then some blue after. And then comes the change to purple, and now we are going from purple to pink to orange and yellow. But I do have to say we have a lot more here in blue and the greenish blue, so this is probably going to be the most dominating color, but still I think that's very pretty, and I'm pretty satisfied with the result I have so far, and I can't wait to finish the rest. So yeah, our scarf is growing. I'll show you in a moment how the colors change more quickly due to the longer sides, but you'll see that in a moment. So let's work this a bit more. So here we are after 3 spools. So I used a total of 600 grams, so you can see that this is huge. And here is my last triangle that I did. This is literally all I have left. So we have the beginning, or sorry, the thread changes to weave in, so that means 3 spools yield 2 extra spots in the middle where we changed, plus the beginning and the end. So anyway, let's go through the colors really quick. So we started here with the nice blue and went to purple, pink, orange, yellow, green, and again blue, and then we just kept repeating. So the colors kept changing quicker because of the size of each side. So the longer the side, the quicker the new color comes, so to say, which makes sense, of course. So yeah, you can stop wherever you think you like the size. In my case, the longer side, or the longest side, is 160 centimeters, so it's pretty huge. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. You can also subscribe to my channel for free and stay updated with everything new that I post. And you can always shoot a thumbs up. So thanks for watching. Till our next project, have a wonderful day. Bye!